Mastering Financial Literacy, Your Path to Wealth. Welcome back to Private Wealth Empire, your go-to channel for all things finance. Today, we're diving into financial literacy. It's about understanding the fundamentals of how money works, so you can make it work harder for you. Over the next few minutes, we'll break down everything you need to know to start building a solid financial foundation. What is financial literacy? It's about understanding how money works and having the knowledge and skills to manage it effectively. It's about understanding your income, knowing where your money is going, and making smart decisions about spending, saving, and investing. Financial literacy equips you with the knowledge and habits to win with money, whether it's buying your dream home, retiring early, or just having peace of mind. Creating a personal budget, your financial blueprint. The cornerstone of financial literacy is creating a personal budget. It's not about restricting yourself, it's about taking control. Track your income, your salary, side hustles, even that $5 you found in your winter coat. List out all your expenses, rent, groceries, online subscriptions, everything. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. This is where you see the big picture. Are you spending more than you earn, or do you have some breathing room? This is the foundation for building a solid financial future. Expense control and saving, small changes, big impact. Now that you've got your budget laid out, it's time to talk about expense control and saving. Could you switch to a more affordable grocery store or find cheaper alternatives for your daily coffee fix? Those small changes can add up to big savings over time. Redirect that money towards your financial goals, whether it's building an emergency fund, investing for the future, or finally taking that dream vacation. Let's talk about financial goals. Start by setting clear, specific, and achievable goals. We're talking short-term goals like paying off a credit card or saving for a down payment on a car, mid-term goals like buying your dream home, and long-term goals like retirement. Having those goals in mind will keep you motivated and help you make smarter financial decisions. Now let's talk about something nobody likes to think about, but everyone needs a financial safety net. Life throws curveballs, unexpected medical bills, car repairs, you name it. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses stashed away in a safe and accessible account. Think of it as your financial cushion, protecting you from those unexpected financial blows. Even putting aside $50 or $100 a month adds up over time. Now let's talk about making your money work for you through the power of investing. Investing might seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Start by learning the basics: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and figure out what aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. The key to successful investing is diversification. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through the magic of compound interest. So, there you have it, the fundamentals of financial literacy. Start by creating that budget, setting clear financial goals, building your emergency fund, and exploring the world of investing. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step, and the information you've learned today is your roadmap.